Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Character Creator 3.4 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5 just without involving the iClone 7 and iClone Unreal Live Link. It is just a direct method. Directly export it out from CC 3.4 and directly import into Unreal Engine 5. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step all the tutorials. And first, you have to open your Character Creator 3.4. When you open, this is the default avatar. And very quick, I'm going to design an avatar. First, I will just give her a hair. I will double click here to give her a hair. And then, once the hair already loaded, I'm going to give her a makeup. To be very quick, here, full makeup. Once it already applied the makeup, it will pop out the editor. You have to untick it to make sure it deactivates. And now it will be back to normal. Next, you have to apply the cloth. For example, I will just come to here, apply a simple shirt. Right. Then next, I will give her a pant here or a skirt. I will apply a pant. If I want to apply a skirt, it is here. Essential clothing, give her a mini skirt. And finally, I will give her a shoes. This one. Alright. Once you already finish your avatar design, the next, you have to go to my video descriptions. Just go and download this one. Download the UE motions, the Unreal Engine motion in iClone format. I already give you the link. Just scroll down, go to my video description and go and download it. This is a zip file. Once you download it, it is a zip file. You have to extract it to get the folder. You can see you'll get all of this motion file. These are the iClone motion files, and we need to use it in Character Creator 3.4 while we export it out. So this avatar already done. Before we export it and import into your Unreal Engine 5, here you better save it. Click File, Save Project as demo. I will just save as on the desktop. The file name, I will just name her as girl01. Then I click Save. Now, it will save as a Character Creator 3 project so that next time you still can open the Character Creator 3 and re-edit it. So next, we are going to export it in Unreal format. So on my desktop, I right-click New Folder, create a new folder. I just name it as girl01 UE 5. Alright. So now I'm going to export this. Export in this folder. So what am I going to do? I will just click here, click File, Export, Export as FBX Cloth Character. And then the target 2 presets, you choose Unreal. Choose the Unreal Engine. And the FBX motions, you choose the mesh and motion together. And then here, choose embed texture. Alright, first you export the mesh and tick embed texture. And then maximum texture size you can just ignore. You export the mesh first and you click export. You click OK. Now you export it on this folder. So you copy this folder destination locations and paste here, Ctrl V to paste and press enter. The file name, you name it as girl01. Alright, click save. And now it will export it as FBX file in Unreal format. Just wait for a while until it finishes export. Alright, now it's done. you already get the FBX file. Next, you create a new folder here, name it as motions. Alright, open the motion folder, and now you want to export it again. Click File, Export. Export the FBX cloth character. For this time, the target 2 preset still maintained as Unreal. The FBX options, you choose the motion. You want the motion only. And at this time, here, choose the custom. And then scroll down. You are going to import the iClone motion files, the one that you already downloaded. At the third link, you scroll down, go to my video description, download the Unreal Engine motion file in iClone format. So all of this you are going to import into here. So click here to open the file. It is on my desktop, and this is Unreal Engine motion in iClone format. Select all of this, click open. Now you can see here, you have to save one motion per file. And always remember, for this time, you only export the motions. It will export it as FBX, but without the 3D mesh. It only export the motion with the skeleton. And then save one motion per file, click export, click OK. And for this time, you can close the Unreal Engine motion in iClone format. This folder, you can close it. You want to export it in motion file. Just now you export the mesh. It is under the desktop, Girl01 UE5. And you already get the 3D mesh with skeleton, the FBX. Now you save inside the motion file. Save inside the motion folder. So I copy this folder's destination location, Ctrl C to copy, and I will paste it here, Ctrl V, and press enter. The file name it as Girl01. Alright, you must name it properly so that it is same as the avatar's name. Then click save. Now it is exporting all the motion files. It will export it here. You can see each of it. It will have the FBX file. Alright, now you can see everything already exported. All of these motion files already have the prefix name as Girl01 that already exported as FBX file. So on this time, now you can just move into your Unreal Engine 5. You already done this part. So next, you open your Unreal Engine 5, and as demo, I will just create a game project. Create a game project, UE5, Character Creator 3, Demo 01. Alright, I create a blank file as the third-person game. And usually, as a game developer, you'll use the third-person game. This is just a demo. I'll create a new game file. Everything start from beginning. Start from the fresh new project. Alright. So now I just wait for a while. The Unreal Engine file, the Unreal Engine 5 is already loaded. So in this time, alright, this is the user interface in Unreal Engine 5. First, I will just go to the window, and I will just call out the place actor, and also go to the window, and then the viewport, I'm going to call out the viewport 1. Alright, now go to the window, call out the viewport 2 as well. Now, sorry, just go to the window and then content browser, go and call out the content browser once so that you can see all the folders. This is really crucial, really important. So next, what am I going to do is back to the content folder here. You see that the mannequin is here. This is the robots that existed there. I back to the content folder. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to import the Character Creator 3 avatar. That is this girl. Alright, so now In your content folder, I'm going to create a new folder. Here I will just name it as girl01, the girl01 folder. And then next, add here. The girl01 UE5. Just now we already exported as girl01 FBX. So now I drag in into my Unreal Engine 5. Wait. Now it is importing. I drag in into here. Drop files here. And right click to create content. Now it pop out this. What am I going to import? This is the FBX import options. I import the mesh. And for this time, I no need to import the animations. And for this time, geometry and skinning width, I just need to click import all. And then we have to wait for a while until it finish importing. Okay, once it already finished imported, it will pop out this message log. You just need to close it. Just stick here, close it. And now it is compiling the shader. You can see the project file is out of date. Do you like to update it? This one I can just ignore first. And now it is compiling the shader. You have to wait until it finish. Before it finish, if you open your skeleton mesh, let's see. Which one is the skeleton mesh? It is here. The magenta color, the pink color, this is the skeleton mesh. If I double click and open, you have to wait until it finishes compiling all the shaders. So now it is not yet completed. Still have to wait. So now just be patient. We wait until it finishes. Now you can see it is already finished the compiling. You have a skeleton mesh here. You double click. You can have a check. This is your CC3 avatar, your character creator 3 avatar. And all the textures are complete. Right. So now what you are going to do, you are going to import the animations. You close it first. And in the same folder, you scroll down, find an empty space, you right click here, create a new folder, name this folder as animation. Right. So you double click in, and then for this time, you have to import all the motions. So open the motion folder. Just now you exported all the motion folder. You exported all the motions in FBX format. So this time, you have to import it into here. Just select everything, drag in, and here the skeletons, you must make sure you choose the girl01 skeletons. According to the name, you must choose it properly. Next, the animation length, you have to choose the animated time. This is very important. This is very crucial. Choose the animated time and then click import all. Now you just have to wait until it finish import everything here. Alright, now you can see everything already finished imported. What you are going to do is back to the content folder, and then you go into the girl01. You find the skeleton, the girl01 skeletons. Double click it, and then you open the Retarget Manager. This is very important. Click here to open the Retarget Manager. By default, sometimes it may not open yet. You have to click here to open the Retarget Manager and set up the rig. Select the rig. You have to choose select humanoid rig. And then for this time, you can see it already mapped it. And actually, at this moment, you just need to save and then close it. Next, you go to the content, enter the mannequin folder, the animation. Sorry, you go into the character first, and go into the mesh folder, you should be able to see UE4 mannequin skeletons. Double click it, and then here you have to open the retarget manager as well. By default, it may not open it. Click here, it should open. And set up the rig here, same as just now. Choose the humanoid rig. Then click save. Alright, so next, what are you going to do? You close it, and it's the moment to retarget the blueprints, the animation blueprints. Go back to the content folder, enter the mannequin folder. You should be able to see an animation folder. Double click it. You can see a third person animation blueprint. You right click it, retarget. This one, duplicate animation blueprints and retarget. And here, you choose the Girl 01 skeletons and then click retarget. And now you can see it already successfully retargeted in the content folder. It will jump back to the content folder, and then but once you click in, you can see everything already messed around. So next we are going to solve this, right? So now first you click the first one and wait. Before that, you can see your Girl 01 set here. The animation folder is here. You enter the Girl 01 folder again, and then you create a new folder here. Name it as animations retargeted. Alright, next you back to the content folder. The animation retargeted is here. We are going to move all of this into animation retargeted. So first you click the first one and then hold the shift button on your keyboard and click the last one. Drag it into the animation retargeted and release your mouse. Choose move here. And then you can see all of this retargeted animation already moved into this folder. Next, rename the third person animation blueprint. You click and press F2. And then you add an underscore behind. Name it as your avatar's name, Girl 01. Enter. Next, you look at the next. This is the third person either run 2D. Double click into here, and you can check these parts. What you are going to do is just replace the first dot, the second dot, and the final dot. Alright, so now you choose the one that already have the prefix name Girl 01. Alright, so now the first one you have to find the idle. You can just make this wider so that you can see the file name wider. Which one is the idle? The idle is here, the third person idle. You drag and drop to replace the first point. Release the mouse here. And then to go and find the walk, W-A-L-K. Where is it? Okay, here, the Girl 01 third person walk. Drag and drop to replace the second dot. Next, at here, you have to go and find the run. The Girl 01 third person run at here. Drag and drop to replace the last point. So now here, if you hold your shift, then you can see that now it is already retargeted. Right. Once it retargeted already and also replace, now you can click save and then close. You're back to this folder. So now you can delete those where you already get replaced. For example, the walk. You press delete button to force delete it. The run, you press delete button to delete it. And also the idle, click and press delete button to delete it. Now you just left the jump loop and jump start. You click the jump and press delete button. Here you have a chance to replace it. Okay, you click here to choose the girl01 third person jump. This one, the girl01 third person jump. And then replace reference, click OK, and save selected. Done. Next one is the third person jump loop. The third person jump loop, you click and do the same way, press delete buttons. Here, you replace it with the girl01 third person jump loop. You must follow the file name strictly. Then click replace reference, click OK, and then click save selected. Now this is the last one, the third person jump. You click and press the third person jump starts. You press delete buttons, and here you have to choose the girl01 third person jump start. Here it is, here you can see it. And then click replace reference, click OK, and save selected. At this moment, all of the retargets workflow already done. Next, we are going to make this girl01 to become the main avatar. And how? Alright. So first, what we are going to do is back to the content folder. Go to the third person blueprint. Under the blueprint folder, you can see the third person character. This is the main avatar. It is at here. You play. While you play, this is the main avatar. Alright, now we want to make the girl01 to become the main avatar. We don't want this mannequin robot. I press escape buttons. So next, the third person character, what you are going to do is just duplicate it and edit it. Right click it, duplicate, and add an underscore behind to replace the ones. Then name it as girl01. Enter. Now you already duplicated it. Double click and check it. At this moment, click the mesh, click the viewport, and here you can see the mesh. You are going to replace it by using the girl01. And next, the animation class, you choose the third person animation blueprint girl01. As just now you already rename the retargeted animation blueprints there. Choose that one. Now done. You can just have a look. It really done. Then you click save, click compile, click save. Then you can close. Alright. Next, you are going to make the girl01, the third person character girl01 to become the main avatar. First, what you must do is click the mannequins on the default map and press delete button to delete it. And also, you must make sure that you already have a game start. Alright, this is the game start. Alright, once it's already there, then in order to change it, if now you play against the main avatar, still will be the mannequins. So to change it, you have to go to edit, project setting, and then go to maps and modes. You should be able to see a default game mode. This is the default avatar, the default game mode. Alright. So here the selected game mode. To change the default avatar, you have to change it here, the default pawn class. Default pawn class, by default, it is the third person character. Now you want to change it to become the third person character girl01. Choose it here. Then it automatically will save once you close it. Now your game project, you can test play. Now the main avatar already become the girl01. You can see girl01 already become the main avatar. Now the graphic is not that good, so now I'm going to change the graphic setting. It is under the engine scalability. I change it to become cinematic. Now I try to play again. You can see now the default avatar already become the girl01. It is really awesome. And just now, this avatar is in Character Creator 3.4 and you already successfully retargeted and make it become the main avatar in your Unreal Engine 5 game project without involving any of the iClone Unreal Live link, etc. Alright, so now, escape it. You also can make her to become one of the NPC. What you need to do is just drag her out and press E to rotate it at certain directions. Once you play, you can see now the NPC is here. You already put her as an NPC in your game project. Now she already become the main avatar at the same time. She is one of the NPC in your Unreal Engine game project as well. Right, then that's all. That's all of the workflow that I show. That you transfer the Character Creator 3.4 avatar directly from CC3 Character Creator 3 to Unreal Engine 5 without involving any other software like iClone and the iClone Unreal Live link. And now you already made the avatar to become the main avatar or any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine 5 game project. Right. Then this avatar also can be run, can talk, can run, can walk, can jump in the game. And this is all the step-by-step tutorial that I just shown. And it is really amazing. Now, you already done everything. Alright, that's all for today. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.